Hello students, once again you are most welcome here. Myself Devesh Singh from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, as you know that at this time we are studying chapter number 3, that is Deep Water, from the book Flamingo, and we are proceeding this chapter. This time we have to proceed this chapter from this second passage of this page. I flailed at the surface of the water, swallowed and choked. Flailed. Flailed means students, you can say that try to come on the surface, जिसको बोलते हैं हिंदी में हाथ पाँव मारना. सैल्यूट सैल्यूट मीन्स होता है कोई चीज़ निगल लेना. एंड चोक्ड चोक्ड में जैसे कि घुटना, जैसे कि होता है घुटना. तो हियर द राइटर व्हेन ही वाज drowning into the pool, at that time he was trying a lot to come out of the surface. He also swallowed a lot of water, plenty of water he also swallowed. I tried to bring my legs up, but they hung as dead weight. And he says that he tried to move his leg, he tried to lift his leg, but he realized that as a dead weight, means at that time his leg was not working, and it seemed like that paralyzed and very rigid, means strict. A great force was pulling me under, and it seemed the writer was attracting inside the pool, like that the gravitational force attracting someone towards it. This time the writer was also seeming like it. I screamed. Screamed means shouted, but only the water heard me. Then, in a fright, he started to scream loudly, but there was no value, no advantage of his scream. He was inside of the water, and only the water, except of the water, nobody can hear. Nobody could hear him. I had started on the long journey back to the bottom of the pool, and the writer realized at that time he was going on a long journey, as once again he was drowning. He was moving towards the bottom of the pool, and this time it seemed that he had lost his patience. I struck at the water as I went down. Struck means chot marna. As the water, he tried to beat, he tried to spread his hands at the water when he was going down, expending my strength as one in a nightmare fights an irresistible force. And he was he was pressing he was pressing with a full strength. He was trying to focus his all strength at that time in a nightmare fight. नाइटमेयर में से एक बुरे सपने की तरह वो स्टेबल फोर्स में अथक प्रयास कर रहा था कि किसी भी तरह से ये जो बुरा सपना मेरे सामने है, ये जो मिस फॉर्चून है, इससे मैं बाहर निकल जाऊँ. आई हैड लॉस्ट ऑल माई ब्रीथ, एंड इट सीम्ड एट दैट टाइम he had lost he had lost his breath. He realized himself breathless at that time. Breathless at that time. My lungs ached, my head throbbed, I was getting dizzy. And he also says that uh, his lungs were also in pain, and his head was also throbbing, means in a pain. It was also uh, he was also realizing edge, headache, and getting dizzy means चक्कर चक्कर आना, उसको चक्कर टाइप भी आ रहा था. But I reminded the strategy. Reminded the strategy. Strategy. I I would spring from the bottom of the pool and come like a cork to the surface. Meanwhile, He remembered something. He remembered the strategy to come out himself from the bottom of the pool, uh, like that when light things come out to the surface. He was also trying in this way. I would lie, I would lie flat on the water, strike out with my arms and thrust with my legs. Then I would get to the waves of the pool and be safe. And be safe. And I would lie flat on the water. This time he wanted to lay down on the water. He wanted to struggle a lot with his arms at the water. He also thrust with his legs, and after completing all this process, he wanted to escape himself. He wanted to approach himself just to the edge of the pool, and this was his great effort all that time. Now you see here, I went down. I went down endlessly, opened my eyes, nothing but water with a yellow glow, dark water with one could not see through. Now he was drowning inside of the water. He was now at the bottom. When he opened his eyes to observe around him, he only found yellow glow that was the color of water. Means he was fully buried inside of the water, and the dark water inside of the dark water he was only buried himself, and he could nothing see except of the water at that time. Now and then sheer stark terror seized me. Sheer means होता है असली, stark means केवल only terror seized me, and at that time the real terror had seized him. टेरर दैट नोज नो अंडरस्टैंडिंग, और टेरर एक भय, जो भय उसको घेरा हुआ था, जो भय कोई उसके पास समझदारी नहीं होता है। टेरर दैट नोज नो कंट्रोल, टेरर को पास कोई नियंत्रण नहीं होता है। टेरर दैट नो वन कैन अंडरस्टैंड हु वाज नॉट एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट, और टेरर को इससे मतलब नहीं है कि कौन किसको इसका अनुभव है कि नहीं है। और ये सारी चीज़ें एक लिविंग थिंग्स, एक इंसान हु इज़ लिविंग देयर, बट एट दैट टाइम दिस टेरर which has captured him very strongly. He was not thinking all about him. So the writer was only and only thinking at that time that the condition was very critical for him, and he was facing all these things while he was drowning inside of the pool. Now you can see here, uh, only my heart. Okay, I was paralyzed under water, stiff, rigid with fear. Even the screams in my throat were frozen. And at that time, he was realizing himself as paralyzed. Means बिल्कुल unable to move, unable to do anything, unable to work properly, fully worthless. He was realizing at that time himself is very strict and in terror, as he was afraid too much. Even the scream in my throat were frozen, and it seemed that when he was trying to scream, trying to shout, his sound was also uh, suppressing there, and only my thought and the pounding in my head said that I was still alive. Means at that time his any physical a portion of his body was not working properly except of his head and heart. Only his head and heart was uh, indicating him that he was alive. And then in the midst of the terror came a touch of reason. I must remember to jump when I hit the button. And now uh, all of a sudden the terror उसके अंदर terror came there with the touch of reason, and he remembered at that time to jump, uh, to touch the bottom very strongly. And now at last I felt the tiles under me. My toes reached out as if to grab them. I jumped with everything I had. Finally, uh, he realized that he was now uh, at the tiles. He touched the tiles, means he was just at the bottom of the pool. His toes now uh, touched the bottom, and it seemed that everything was captured very closely. And now he jumped with everything I had, means he was trying to jump to touch, push the bottom very strongly so that he could come out rapidly outside of the water. But the jump made no difference. But the jump means the touching to the bottom was not rapid, so there was no difference, no effect of it. And the water was still around him, means he was now at he was also buried inside of the water. Now I looked for ropes, ladders, water wings, nothing but water. And now he uh, in the expectation to escape his life, he was searching of ropes, ladders, water wings, means anything if he could, he uh, could save himself, but he find nothing. A mass of yellow water held me, और अभी भी वो जो येलो वाटर था उसको घेरे हुआ था. Stark terror took an even deeper hold on, like a great charge of electricity. और अभी भी जो भय था वो काफ़ी डीपली उसको पकड़ा हुआ था, जैसे कि एक इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज की तरह. And I shook and trembled with fright. And at that time, he was only and only trembling in fright, in fear. My arms wouldn't move. जाओ बाहर लिखो, वहाँ पढ़ो, जाओ. My arms wouldn't move, and his arms were also not working properly, not moving. My legs wouldn't move, legs were also not moving. I tried to call for help, to call for mother, and this time he called for help. He called to his mother. Nothing happened, but there was no benefit of all of it. Nobody came there to hear him. And then strangely, there was life. I was coming out of the awful yellow water. Meanwhile, there was a miracle happened, and all of a sudden, the writer, as a boy, when he was drowning inside of the pool, he uh, found light around himself. He was coming out of the awful yellow water. Awful means dangerous, उस dangerous और dangerous वाटर से वो खुद को बाहर लाने का प्रयास कर रहा था. At least my eyes were, my nose was almost out, and his eyes, his nose, everything was out of the water at that time. Then I started down third time, and he started a third attempt. He started a third attempt to come out. I sucked for air and got water, and he realized some water and air, and the Alois light was going out. Uh, he tried to suck air and water. For him, the also he realized that the yellowish light means water, जो वाटर उस येलो कलर का उस समय उसको अपीयर हो रहा था, it was also going out. Then all effort ceased. सीज्ड मीन्स द एंड मीन्स उसके बाद सारा जो उसका फोर्ट था, जो बेस्ट ट्राई था, वो सबका अंत हो गया। एंड आई रिलैक्स्ड, और उससे कुछ उस समय राहत मिली।